Hi guys! You are back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. So, paano mga mahal ko? Oras na para sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. O, diba? Mamaya na tayo maghanap pa ng The One. O, diba? Mamaya na tayo kumilatis ng The One kasi this time around, pagbibigyan muna natin ang ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Nako mga kabisyo, so eto na nga. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Eto na po ang biyahe ni Erin. I like the name. O, eto na. Hello DJ Lala, recently ko lang po na-discover yung videos mo and sa tingin ko po, matutulungan niyo po ako sa nararamdaman ko ngayon. Itago niyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Erin. My best friend po ako, Shin, not his real name. Recently kasi po, napapansin ko, palagi siyang nakatitig sa akin kapag nagkikita kami sa school or di kaya pag nagkikita kami. I already confessed my feelings po. He rejected me. Wala naman pong problema sa akin yun eh. Naguguluhan lang po ako kasi iba yung actions niya sa sinasabi niya. Dati naman po, hindi ganon yung mga action niya. Minsan, umiiwas na po ako kasi masyado siyang halata. Ako kasi yung type ng tao na madaling mapatawa at mabilis akong kiligin. Kaya talagang iniiwasan ko siya minsan. And by the way po, he is my best friend's ex. Almost 3 years din po yung relationship nila. May 1 year gap din po kami sa age. Ano po kaya yung pwede kong gawin? Nalilito na po kasi ako and ayoko pong umasa. Sana po ay matulungan nyo ako, DJ Lala. Okay. Una-una sa lahat, Erin, maraming salamat of course for sending in your stories, your story rather sa ating biyahe, for being our Byahe Sender. So, dalawa lang kasi to, my love eh. It's either meron siyang nararamdaman dahil you opened up a gate for him, or two, pinipili niya yung taong may gusto sa kanya. Naintindihan mo ko? I mean, yung isa is, siguro may nararamdaman siya talaga sa'yo pero hindi niya pinursu, pero knowing now that meron kang gusto sa kanya, he is starting to confirm whatever it is na nararamdaman niya for you. Naku-confirm niya na sa sarili niya na ito pala tong nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Or two, he is taking advantage of the fact na alam niyang may gusto ka sa kanya. And both kasi talaga is something that you cannot do anything about. Kasi you have already took the first step eh, which is confessing what you feel para sa kanya. Actually, yung being your best friend's ex nga is out of the window already kasi ikaw pa yung naunang mag-confess eh. So, I just hope na yung friendship mo or yung relationship mo with your best friend after knowing this, or even with the fact na alam niya na may gusto ka doon sa ex niya is something na okay sa kanya. And if it is okay sa kanya, then your best friend is a keeper. If I'm gonna suggest about it, medyo lilihis ako ng konti, keep your best friend. If even though alam niya na may gusto ka doon sa ex niya, eh okay lang din sa kanya or sakto lang sa kanya, it doesn't really bother her, then your best friend is a keeper kasi mas gusto niya yung relationship ninyong dalawa rather than issues. So, yon, mas gusto ko lang sabihin yun sa'yo so that alam mo kung sino yung dapat pahalagahan. Anyway, going back, my love, there's nothing more you can do about it na eh. Kasi nga, ikaw na yung unang nag-confess. So, kung si lalaki ay gusto ka dahil gusto ka niya talaga, or gusto ka dahil naramdaman niya na after all this time and after dilly-dallying about what he is feeling, he now confirms na mahal ka niya talaga, or may nararamdaman talaga siya sa'yo, let him make that move. Let him make that second move na nga to kung tatawagin eh, to make it work or to start whatever it is na pwedeng mamagitan sa inyong dalawa. Kumbaga, hanggat hindi niya yung sinasabi na, can I court you? Pwede ba akong manligaw sa'yo? Do not read into it too much. Kasi pwede din yung angulo na yun, my love eh, na nagre-read too much into the actions lang na nakikita mo from him lang ikaw. Does it make sense? Yung parang Let me explain it ng clearer. Parang baka kasi nagre-read too much into his actions ka lang. Like, nai-interpret mo siya in a larger scale or in a magnified way yung pinapakita niya sa'yo. Baka kasi yun lang yun nangyayari. Dahil nga, may nararamdaman ka sa kanya, yung mga ginagawa niya ngayon ay na-magnify mo into something sweet or na-over-interpret mo into something more. But kung upon realizing or upon thinking about it, sabi mo nga na hindi niya to normally ginagawa, then let him be. Hayaan mo siyang gumawa ng paraan. Now, if na-feel mo na awkwardan ka sa situation ninyo kasi you don't wanna fall for the guy who's not even cleared dun sa pinapakita niya, or if it's not even putting a label sa mga pinapakita niya sa'yo, then my love, distance yourself. Do what you must, do what you need in order na masend mo yung message across na I like you. I told you I did, but that doesn't mean na I don't want to be courted anymore kapag nakaramdam ka ng something from me. Do not give him mixed signals as well. Now, if he made a move, like for example, he tried to hold your hand, unless may label na, unless defined in words kung ano yung nararamdaman niya, do not let him hold your hand. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? If kunyari, araw-araw ka na niyang sinasabihan na hatid na kita pa uwi, o kaya sabay na lang tayo pa uwi. Dahil kayo naman ay friends, sabi mo nga, kaibigan mo siya, at feeling ko naman you are that straightforward kind of girl, you can ask a question. Sabi mo, what's this? Ano to? Why are you being so nice? Why are you being so clingy? Why are you being kinda sweet? Meron ka bang gustong sabihin? Kasi if this doesn't mean anything to you, you know how I feel about you, I might interpret it in the wrong way. And if you are only doing this just because you know I like you, then please, stay away from me. Let me move on na lang. Kesa ganyan. I don't want you to like me just because I like you. O diba? Parang ito yung classic scene sa Milan na mahal mo ba ako dahil mahal mo ko o mahal mo ko dahil kailangan mo ko. Taray! Claudine Barreto. Diba? This is the classic moment ng ganyan eh. So, ganun din siya. Bilang kaibigan niya, ikaw yung maging mature para sa inyong dalawa. Sabihin mo sa kanya, I don't want you to be overwhelmed with how I feel about you or with the reality of how I feel about you. So, if itong ginagawa mo ay ina-start mo lang gawin because you know that I like you, then let's stay away from each other. Itaray mo yang i-define without having me around. Itaray mo yan i-define at alamin on your own kung yan ba ay real or yan ay dala lang ng alam mo kasing gusto kita. Naintindihan mo ako, my love. Right now kasi, or sa mga panahon ngayon, hindi na uso yung pakiramdaman, hindi na uso yung idaan mo sa letters and all that jazz. Let's use our, sabihin na natin, let's use words in order to express our emotions, in order to express our feelings. Sobrang dami ng prangka sa mundong to. And sometimes it works well if you do it that way. Kasi walang misinterpretation, walang taong nagkakaroon ng misunderstanding kasi they know exactly saan nila ilulugar yung mga sarili nila. So kung ikaw ngayon hindi mo alam kung saan mo ilulugar yung sarili mo sa relationship ninyong dalawa or whatever it is na namamagitan sa inyong dalawa, then be the mature and frank person, be straightforward, ask him. Now if hindi din siya sure sa nararamdaman niya, give each other a space. Bigyan nyo yung isa't isa ng spasyo away from each other before you get into an awkward situation wherein ginagawa nyo na yung mga gawaing pang magjowa pero hindi naman kayo magjowa. Huwag ka nang sumama sa populasyon ng mga tao na sweet-sweetan pero walang label. Klaro? Klaro tayo doon. Nako, I hope I was able to help you, my love. Ayan, Erin, if you are listening to me right now, I hope I was able to help you and I hope I was able to give you a warning of what this could be. O, diba? Huwag tayong magpadala sa bugso ng ating mga emosyon. Sometimes we just need to be smart about things. Being straightforward, being frank about what we feel and what we think is not really bad at all. especially when you are talking about someone na you consider your friend. Okay?